Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a new chapter for Samsung's future flagship phones. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra represents a significant moment in the evolution of Samsung's flagship smartphones. According to the latest available data, the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra might revive the iconic camera island design and many other top new upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Moving away from the sharp, angular aesthetics of previous models, Samsung has prioritized comfort and practicality while maintaining the high performance and premium features that define the Ultra lineup. This approach reflects Samsung's commitment to meeting the needs of modern users without compromising on innovation. Now, new reports claim that Samsung could pack bigger than rumored camera upgrades on the Samsung S26 Ultra next year. The company will seemingly redesign the rear camera layout, bringing back the iconic camera island from the 2021 Galaxy S21 Ultra flagship. A Korean report from Newsys claims both Apple and Samsung will use bigger camera sensors on their upcoming flagships to improve the imaging performance. Both companies will use a bigger camera bump on their devices, creating space for the bigger hardware upgrades. A bigger camera sensor will allow the Galaxy S26 Ultra to capture images with more light and detail. Samsung has been using the same 200-megapixel HP2 ISOCELL sensor on its Ultra flagship since the 2023 Galaxy S23 Ultra. This has left Samsung's flagships trailing rivals from Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo, which equip their high-end devices with 1-inch type sensors. However, these phones feature large, circular camera islands that significantly protrude from the device's body. Rumors point to the S26 Ultra sticking to the same sensor, but adopting a wider f/1.4 aperture, significantly boosting light intake. That should help close the gap in imaging performance between Samsung's flagships and those of its Chinese rivals. The company will also supposedly upgrade the 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor to a 50-megapixel shooter, which should also lead to a dramatic boost in image quality. The other 5x telephoto and ultra-wide sensors are not rumored to get any upgrades. If anything, Samsung's move to a camera island design seems necessary in its quest to slim down the phone's profile. Whatever the case, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most exciting Ultra release in recent times, packing noticeable design changes and internal upgrades. The new Galaxy S26 line will launch early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.